Priya from IIT Bombay, and my work is on approaches for high throughput in field electroluminescence imaging for photovoltaic modules. As the large scale modules are deployed in the field, so there is a need to analyze these modules on the regular basis. So we have this electroluminescence imaging techniques to analyze the defects that are present in the modules. So many defects can be seen from these techniques. They are like cell cracks, finger interconnect failures, and like potential induced degradations. So there are three main design elements that are required to capture this electroluminescence imaging techniques and to analyze the defects. These design elements include the camera and a mounting system where this camera can be placed, and the last is the need of a power supply. There is a scope of improvement in all these three design elements. So here in the camera sections, three types of camera have been compared. The first one is the in-gas camera, the CMOS camera, and the last is the in-gas camera. So the cost perspective has been compared, and it has been found that the in-gas camera is the far costlier than the silicon CCD camera or the CMOS camera. And both of these camera have their own pros and cons. Like in-gas camera offers a higher sensitivity in the near infrared region, whereas the silicon CCD is having a less sensitivity in the near infrared region. So depending upon the defects that is need to be analyzed, we can select the type of the camera. And the next is the mounting system. Choosing the aspect of the mounting system also depends upon the kind of defect that we want to analyze. For example, like potential induced degradation can be analyzed with the help of this aerial based surveys. With the help of this drone, we can capture the videos and we can record the videos with these drones. And in the end, the power supply that is used to energize these modules is needed. There is a need to have a large wattage of power supply. So in this, multiplexer switch can be used at the combiner boxes, where the power supply, the modules can be switched between the different strings and with these boxes. So that's it in the poster. Thank you.